Hi, we're still here at the program display fair for our Faculty of Community Services here at the March Break Open House, talking with two different programs now within this faculty. You can see right here, Public Health and Safety, as well as our Occupational Health and Safety programs. We've got three fantastic current students ready to talk to us. Again, my name is Stephanie and I'm with the Undergraduate Admissions and Recruitment Office, and I'll bring in our first student to introduce himself. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, my name is Ricky. I'm in 5th year Public Health and Safety, Co-op.
Amazing. Thank you, Ricky, for joining us. Let's bring in our next public health student.
Hi, my name is Maddie. I'm in my 3rd year of the Public Health and Safety program.
Thank you, Maddie. And last but certainly not least,
I'm Rachel, and I'm in 5th year of the Occupational Health and Safety program, and I'm in the Co-op program as well.
Thank you so much. I'm going to bring Ricky back in here. Thanks for joining us. You're a little bit taller than me,
okay.
So I'm going to have to hold it up here.
You want me to okay.
Question, Ricky. What kind of job, what are the job opportunities, what do you get involved with work-wise when you graduate from the Public Health and Safety program?
So job opportunities for public health and safety, you can go into becoming public health inspectors are mainstream. You can also do health promotion, advertise for new health initiatives that cities are doing, and you can even go into private industry and work for food safety specialists because we're really big on food, or go into infection control for hospitals. Yep.
So no shortage of opportunities coming from that program.
Yep, for sure. There's a lot of opportunities that we have at Public Health and Safety.
Awesome, thanks for coming in. I'm going to bring your colleague from your program back in as well, and we're going to talk about her favorite course. What's your favorite class in the Public Health and Safety program?
So my favorite class is the food safety class. It's because we get to do mock inspections, which is basically preparing us to be public health inspectors in the future.
Can you tell me about one of the projects that you've gotten involved with, or some of the coursework that you do in that class?
Yeah, so we ended up inspecting one of the premises that are in Toronto, which is the St. Lawrence Market, which a lot of Torontonians go to. We inspected it, and it was an amazing opportunity.
When you say you inspected it, maybe for our viewers at home that don't know what inspecting means, what kind of entails with that? Like, what do you do when you inspect something?
So we go around the premise, we make sure that they're following the legal, the laws and everything, making sure that they have implementing the food safety laws and that everything is safe for their customers coming and buying or eating at their premise.
Awesome. And what year was that class in?
That was 2nd year.
Awesome. Thank you so much for talking with us. And let's bring in our Occupational Health and Safety student to talk about Co-op. So Co-op, she works in the Co-op office, so I would love to know what's it like working for Co-op and what's it like being a Co-op student?
Right, so I'm a Co-op student, so I did 3 different placements at very diverse workplaces. So I got to work in 3 different sectors in the industry and get really hands-on experience with what I'm learning in the program. So I work with the Co-op office, and right now I'm a peer advisor. So I'm helping the 2nd year students who are entering Co-op for the first time get prepared for their first Co-op placement, getting them their resumes and cover letters ready to start their Co-op term in the workplace.
Sounds like pretty cool work. So you've been on some co-ops already, is that right?
Yes,
awesome.
That's right.
Can you tell us a little bit about your favorite co-op placement?
Well, I actually had the opportunity to work at the House of Commons in Ottawa, so working at the Parliament buildings. So I was doing health and safety there, and there's a lot more to health and safety than you think. You think it might just be offices, but there's a lot going on there, and it was a really good experience. I got to use different instruments to take measurements and collect a lot of data, so it was a very cool experience.
What year were you in Ottawa for?
I was there last year, and I got to do an 8-month co-op placement, so longer co-op placements give you a really good chance to get into the workplace and really establish yourself there.
Awesome. Do you have any pieces of advice for students who are interested in co-op?
If you're interested in co-op, definitely just make sure co-op starts in 2nd year, so keep an eye out for meetings and definitely meet other co-op students that are in higher years. They can help you with your resume and your cover letter, and just get prepared for applying for your first co-op position.
Thank you so much for joining with us and for coming to the fair and representing your program. It's been great talking to you. So again, we just chatted with our public health and safety programs as well as our occupational health and safety. If you have more questions, check out ryerson.ca to learn more about those programs, and welcome virtually to our display fair.